Hello, everybody, and welcome back to our seventh and final onboarding video about the philosophies of Guilds of Requiem. My name is Dr. Robin Kearney Frazier. I am the president and founder of Guilds of Requiem. This video, webinar, online video, whichever you want to call it, virtual learning opportunity, is about a teaching guild system. And why was it so important to us? Because we want to preserve generational knowledge. So how does this differ from our educational guild system? Well, the educational system focuses on self-development. Our teaching system focuses on educating others, ensuring that skills from previous generations do not get lost, and that it is available to the communities we serve. This educational teaching model allows for anyone to learn something new. Our current teaching projects are BantuckyCon, and this is learning in the guise of having fun at an outdoor convention. We have the Haven of the Dragon, which is our world religions organization. It's a safe environment to learn more about another religion. We have our Homesteaders and Preppers Bazaar, and this is old and new world skills that foster self-reliance and independence from others. Teaching the communities we live in has in-person courses, or will have in-person courses, forum discussions, virtual classrooms, and webinars. Which projects actually do with that? Well, the first one is Hope Haven Academy. This is our adult education learning center. Currently, we are looking at having HSE, which is high school equivalency, or GED courses, along with English as a second language. We're hoping to bring somebody out who teaches ASL, which is American Sign Language, just to help our community out. We're also hoping that once we have permanent facility, we'll be able to create homeschooling learning zones. One of the challenges we faced when homeschooling is that, well, when I wanted to teach them science, my husband did not appreciate me blowing things up in the kitchen. That didn't go over very well. The kids thought it was great. My husband, not so much. So we recognize that when you homeschool, that maybe you don't have access to a science or chemistry lab. You don't have access to a computer lab. Maybe you just have your phone for internet service and that's it. And we want to make sure that our youth do have the skills of working on a computer and an experience in a safe environment about surfing the internet and how to use it productively for school or work. And then we have our master procrastinators that are part of Hope Haven Academy. These are our people who, well, they have a lot of crafts and sometimes they don't always get to them, or maybe it's their focus all the time that other things go by the wayside, but they have a skill that they would like to teach. I believe one of the first ones that we're looking at is how to do home canning and food preservation. We're going to we're going to be hoping to have access to a facility in which it's conducive to teaching. Our second one that we have is Space Station Requiem Academy. As many may not know, we do have a fan club that crosses all organizations called Space Station Requiem. And we wanted to have a little bit of fun with that so that we could test your knowledge on a variety of fandom topics. See who really knows their Doctor Who, or are they a Stargate fan? But we also wanted to include topics on how to run a nonprofit fandom organization at the chapter unit level. What this does is we help you understand what your organization wants or needs to be able to have a chapter of an active and viable chapter of your own. They also sometimes have command colleges where you have to take their courses, but maybe there's something in there like, I just don't get this, and I'm afraid I'm not going to pass because I don't understand this concept. That's where we come in, where we discuss the concepts with you. No, we're not going to give you the answer. You still need to figure that one out yourself. But we're going to be here to help you. And then our final one is our steampunk unit. And this focuses on our youth and encourages them to learn through fun. And this is our science, technology, engineering, arts, and math program. If you've got questions, we've got answers. You can comment below, or once you're done with your completion quiz, that we will give you login information to the Resources Guild for the forum there, and you can continue the discussion there. Thank you for your time. We greatly appreciate you stopping by and watching our seventh and final video, and we hope you have a fantastic day.